You see, uno all blood clot old woman with the palm in my WhatsApp for handsome. Make me tell you something. And me tell you this quick and blood clot fast. You hear? Me not afraid of uno. Me not afraid of none blood clot uno. No can't gang me a bumbo clot. You see me piece of old bed where me have, and me piece of house where me have, I feel me that blood clot. And me never compare set pan under and some blood clot forget ya. So you see uno all woman where feces are wrap up and go no monkey pox. How uno I get feces wood, uno take uno feces wood and don't come pan no me phone. I come call me and text me for what time. Straight. Whole vet. Hey, people, do me a beg uno. Me a ask uno rascal, please. You see that number here? 16045008552. You see that blood clot number here? That big old sour blood clot woman here. Make a play one I voice note, make uno hear him bumbo clot voice. Woman, come near. Don't go all near you is nothing. Uno listen to the voice.
I find myself into a situation like you do. Erica.
Uno know that voice
you
here?
and Mr. Handsome was always friends. He speak highly of you all the time. I watch Mr. Handsome and know that he has a good heart, and so do you. You have a good
Anybody know that voice here?
You have a good heart, you're kind.
Anybody know that big old woman here? Cause a whole heap of conversation we go through, you know, cause me have to dip up underneath her blood clot. See there? See the number there? Anybody know this big old sour woman? Eh? We don't know 2 o'clock at night. Rain a fall. Yes. And I feel me bed. Me tell you no. Don't come wake me out of my bed or call me when I'm my bed blood clot hours. Enough more of them because me go play every single one who don't want a good hour. No, you go come off and block me how much time me tell her to take her. I tell her some bumbo clot something. People, when you no come in my bedroom, anything you no get you no blood clot take it. Me not afraid of handsome followers them. Me not afraid of nobody on Facebook or no blood clot followers. He walk me and use me. And he said he don't promote my own, but can me sweat me a talk about. You come talk about if somebody invite you out and don't give you nothing to eat, you shouldn't talk about. Invite me out and me I go somewhere for handsome. When me a handsome I go somewhere. Only yes me a walk and beg big old sour woman. Eh? Me and him go out, me can't buy me own food. You see me I go nowhere? Which part you see me I go? Eh? Eh? Which part you see me I go? You see me I go nowhere? Where handsome fi buy me food? Eh? Which part you see me a handsome dress up and go? Call one talk to her. And me sweat me a talk about me work for the promotion. He didn't do it free. He walked me far. That's why me bex. Ya come talk. So a dirty blood clot woman. Don't call back my phone. And then ya come run up and block. After you dey on my phone how long I send 10,000 different texts. Me not afraid of none of you. Cause make me tell you something on the whole full of feces. You hear? Your man where wear pad a month time. I see blood just like everybody else. Don't make Facebook block me. Me and him I wear stay free every month. Don't ramp with me. And none of you come in on my blood clot bedroom. None of you. Come go like you don't want to give me no talk. Me look like me dey on starvation. After 3 o'clock me dey on my foot them till after 9. Me reach up me yard about 2 o'clock the next morning. More than 24 hours me dey on the road. Me work for that. That's why me a defend it. Me work for the promotion so me should have get it. Sour feces, old man. With your elephant, old man. A one time a month, me see my own. He see film 1, 2, and 3 times a month. All I know, all dirty blood clot woman where they are foreign when I have nobody. Who no want to take up and call people and go like who no can't diss people. Me they call up on my life. You're supposed to over here. I me sweat. Me work for 24 blood clot over me or defend what is rightfully mine. You think I know people are walk me and I use me? Who is this big old man we're seeing Cinti 2 times a month? See you stay free and Maddox and my family. Don't make me and you have nothing. Anyone I don't think no bad call back my blood clot phone or send no text over here. I want one condo. Eh? No double, no muffy diet man with him big hole. Who no want come over country me for? Allow me. Allow me. Who do not take up no resident in a me blood clot house can up on life bill ya. A life game where you have all him a sell batty and a suck with all about a foreign in come back here with nothing. You have nothing when you suck good for. Uno don't blood clot call back my phone.